Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to clear all cache and junk from Windows 11, and I will show you this as quick as possible. We do this in 4 steps. The first step is go to Start, search for Run, do Enter, and then search here for Temp. Then do OK. Then do Continue. And right now what you want to do is you want to delete all these files. So what we do is click on a file, Ctrl A, and then we do right mouse, and then we do delete. Right now we just deleted everything, and when we get this notification that a file is in use or it's not smart to remove it, we do skip for all the current files. Now again, and now they will remove all the files from this place. So this is the first step. The second step is click this away. We go to Start, do Run again, and then do percentage temp percentage. Then do Enter, and then right here we are back at another file. And then we do the same. So Ctrl A, right mouse, delete. Now you will delete everything. So look at this. It's almost 1100 files. So this is great to do. And right now we receive the messages that some files can be deleted. So then click on skip. That's fine. Alright, all the files are gone except these. And right now the third thing that we need to do is go to search again, do Run again, and then do prefetch and do Enter. Then continue again, and right now do exactly the same on this one. So we click on one file, Ctrl A, right mouse click, and then we do delete. So now he will do exactly the same as the last 2 steps. Now skip this. Alright, right now we go to the last step, and the last step is again open the Run System application and then search for clean mgr. Do Enter, and right now he will run this setup. I have just one disk, so right now he will show exactly what I can do to clean up some space. So right now, if you can see, he did this for me. So right now I click on OK and then do delete files. And right now he will clean up my drive. And after this, you did everything to clear all cache and junk from your Windows 11. So this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.